Hey guys, welcome back to another video. To remind you, it's not even morning where I am actually. What's this? Epic. I can't even scroll down, that's annoying. Oh yeah, there you go. Epic minigames. Okay, right, first I'm going to be having a look at something. If I go to, I can't go home. What's home? Oh, here it is. I'll make this a better for you. There we go. Go on, send me home. I wanna go home. Send me home. It's not, there we go. Oh, Danny's on. Oh no, he's playing Bloxburg. I can't play Bloxburg. I haven't got any Robux. Oh no. Right guys, I'll be back in a sec. I have to get it back. Carrying on. Right. I have had a recommendation saying I should do more hide and seek. Let's have a look. Anth. I think I've just spelled that wrong. There it is. Extreme. Come on, Danny, get off that. Right, let's have a look. Hope I go well. Hyperlink. Yes, please. I need to try commentating more. Do opening up. I've got to go full screen. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Tim775 presents. Hide and seek. Extreme. Loading assets. Thank you very much. Alright. It's the same person that was on last time. How long we got? Oh, come on. Right, guys. I'll skip to the end of. I'll skip to when it's actually over. I'll see you in a second. Alright, carrying on. Here we go. Let's have a look. Come on. The workshop. I haven't been in this map yet, actually. Let's have a look if there's any secret bits I can go to. See who's on. Please don't be me. Maybe it could be. I don't know. Okay, Hugh, it's not me. Got an itchy ear. Let's do this, boys. Bye. Why do we always start in this little thing? Bye. Okay, so I've got quite a while yet. Oh, so that's what that does. Now, how did you get up there? Hoopla! Wait, what? Ah, the game ended already. I bet she left. Next map, let's try again. Oh, which one is it? Last time we had Ethan's bedroom, I think. The kitchen. Ooh. I can see a little black dot. Please don't be me. Shoot. Okay, it's not me. I love you so much. 8787. What? Who calls himself that? No offense, if you're watching this video, whoever is that person. You will never. Ah. Oh, mine. I know we were here before, actually. We have been here before. It's mine. What? How? How? Right, so I remember how to do this now. Go down here. Go over here. Up here. Boing. Boing. Wait, what? No, go away. Why aren't I tall enough? Let me up. Yes. There. Collect these. Give me them. Okay, they're out. They're coming to get me. Climb in here, like last time. If I get the time. Come on. Oh, no. Hurry up. Please, hurry up. Come on. No. I need to get it. Yes. Right. Now that I'm here. I've got the most credits. I've got more credits than anyone else, I think. So now from here, if the person that's on tries to get me, I can just run off straight up. Oh, he's there. He's right there. I think he can see me. He got distracted. Right, he's over there now. It's fine. I need to keep an eye on that plant there. Make sure it doesn't get near it. Oh, he's coming. If he gets too close, I'm going down. If he gets in, I'm going down. I'm just going to run off. He's trying to get up, but he can't. I think he's going to give up. Oh. I think he knows. Right, he doesn't know how to get up here. Good. Wait, how do you get up there? On top of the fridge? How are you supposed to get up there? And where the boiler thingy is. So many secret hiding spaces. I think I might win this. There's a chance I'm going to win this. Please say I won. Oh, no, he's getting closer. Right. How do you spectate the person? Oh, you just click on it. Okay. I'm pretending to be it. You're currently spectating it. I can't switch to another person. He's just not very good at this, is he? This is me turning the camera, by the way. Oh, he sees him. Come on. Try and get him. You can do it. Oh, 4 out of 11 people are still alive, though. I mean, only 4 out of 11. It's about to be 3. 2 other people. 2 other people. Ooh. I'm going to just stop spectating. Oh, I won! Ha! I won! Yes! Wait, I didn't get caught, did I? I never got caught. How? Hang on, what? How'd she get under there? Oh. 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 Hmm. I was never caught. Oh wait, that was me. I fell down. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, that was me. I could have won that. Let's have a look. See if we can get a new map. We were just there. Come on. Guys, we haven't got long left. Okay, it's not me that's on. I've only got about 6 minutes left of the video, right? I've been shot. Actually. Oh, it's $3. Bye. Indeed. Where to? And why am I so zoomed out? Try and angle it through the wheel. I don't even know what's down there. Hang on. Zoom in. No, zoom in. No. First person. There's nowhere secret down here. Oh my. Yes, there is. Heck yeah, there is. Ha! No one's ever gonna find us down here. Right, guys, end of the video. Sorry. Right, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.